Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I would like to share with you healthy and delicious breakfast, lunch and dinner recipes for weight loss. My name is Natalia. I like to cook healthy and delicious recipes. If you're new here, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell so you can stay up to date. We are going to cook amazing recipes together. Let's jump into the video. To make this healthy and delicious smoothie bowl recipe, take 1 cup of buckwheat groats. Add water and soak them for 2 hours. Once soaked, rinse well until the water will be clear. Add 1 cup of soaked buckwheat to the blender cup. Add a quarter cup of almond milk, 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of blueberries, blend everything until it's smooth. Now it's time to serve. Decorate it with any fruits of your choice. I like a combination of kiwi and blueberries. Sprinkle with pumpkin and chia seeds. Enjoy! To make this delicious Russian cabbage soup, you will need 1 small cabbage, 1 beetroot, 1 big onion, fresh parsley and cilantro, peppers, 1 jalapeno, 3 potatoes, 2 carrots, 3 garlic cloves, 1 can of beans. Start by chopping the onions. Shred carrots. Cut peppers. Jalapeno. Pour avocado oil into a pan. Add onions. Sauté them until they become translucent. Add peppers. Mix it. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander, 1 tablespoon of paprika. Add carrots. Sauté for about 3 minutes. Add vegetable stock and water. Cut potatoes. And add them in. Cover with the lid and bring to a boil. Now let's shred cabbage. Try it and do it as thin as possible. Chop fresh herbs. Shred beets. Chop garlic. Once the potatoes are halfway cooked, add beans and cabbage. Add salt to your taste. 3 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it. Cover with the lid and bring it to a boil. Add beets, 1 cup of marinara sauce, squeeze half of a lemon. Taste for seasoning, and if you need anything, you can add at this point. I am adding a little bit of red chili flakes. Cover with the lid and bring it to a boil, and let it cook for 10 minutes. Now it's time to add fresh herbs and garlic. Let it simmer for an additional 3 minutes. For the sauce, add 1 garlic clove to plant yogurt. Now it's time to serve. It smells delicious. Add 1 tablespoon of the sauce to the borscht and sprinkle with the fresh herbs. Enjoy! For this zucchini noodles recipe you will need cherry tomatoes, 1 small onion, 1 clove of garlic, asparagus, basil, green onion and parsley. We are making noodles out of zucchini. Then put them aside. Remove the hard part from the asparagus. Chop the onion. Pour avocado oil into a pan, then add onions. Chop sweet pepper and add into the pan. Sprinkle hot pepper flakes. Chop asparagus. Then chop tomatoes as well. Add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasonings, salt to a taste, and black pepper. Squeeze 1 garlic clove. Mix and sauté for 3 minutes. Squeeze 1/3 of a lemon. Add noodles. Chop greens and put them in. Sprinkle with salt and mix it together. Cover the lid, turn the heat off and let it sit for 10 minutes. Mix it together. Now it's ready to serve. Sprinkle nutritional yeast for an additional flavor. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this video and want to see many more delicious recipes, go ahead and like, comment and subscribe. We will see you in the next one.